everyone, subbies, welcome back to the channel. So today is a highly requested video. Everybody has been like, prank Chad, prank Chad, prank Chad, but it's been so hard because of this quarantine. No one's leaving home. Like supermarket, one person goes to the supermarket and the other stays home, so it's like you have to get a good day to get like a good prank in now. And normally Chad has been staying home because Andrew's been going to the supermarket, so we just do one big list and everybody gets something off of that list. So today I sent Chad to get some fruits and some little things for Chase that we need, and I thought that this would be the best opportunity to prank him. Now I didn't have a lot of time to like plan a good one, but I thought that I'm gonna wake him up when he's coming up the stairs. So when he comes home, I'm sure he's gonna expect me to come down and like sanitize the stuff, because I've been sanitizing the groceries before, you know, we use them or put them up. And when he calls me or when he's home, I'm gonna be like, okay, come up for Chase, come up to watch Chase, and then see if I can get him good when he's coming up the stairs. I'm gonna try and call him and see if he's almost done, or like you know, if he needs help to find something. I don't know, but I'm just gonna see if he's okay, and hopefully he'll tell me if he's coming home soon or whatever. But we're gonna go upstairs. I'm gonna get Chase in his room to play, to sit down, and just try and get Chad good right now. So Chase is here. So Chase is in on the prank. What are you doing over there? Messing with something. And we're just gonna set up and hope this goes good. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and me and Chase are going upstairs. We're gonna show you the setup. We're upstairs. I'm gonna call him right now. How far are you?
Almost done. What is kale? What will it look like again?
Chad, kale is, we get it all the time. It's just look by the salads, like where the bags are.
Okay.
How long are you going to be?
Cause I don't know, I just paisley.
Parsley?
Paisley.
No. Babe, just look where the bags of salads are. There's like a bag of kale. You'll see the word kale.
Alright.
Okay, alright, bye.
Thinking.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Okay, so I know that he's still shopping. I need to set up the camera somewhere that he won't like know. So I have like all this junk right here because we've been cleaning out our room. I think I'm gonna hide the camera on that, but I'm gonna take off the stand so I can put it down, and I'm just gonna let it stay there until, oopsie. Okay, so I'm just gonna put the camera down so it can like show the stairs. I think I'm gonna hide it right here. Oh, how am I gonna get this? So I'm using Chase's shower, whatever you call this, to wet him up. I'm hoping that I can get him like halfway up, so I can just stand right here and go like this. I don't know if you can see me, but at least you can see him when he gets wet. I have a problem. It's raining. Yeah. So this kind of defeats the purpose of my prank right now. It's pouring outside. I don't know if Chad's gonna make it. I don't know. It kind of sounds like it eased up. I don't know if it's really hard where, I don't know. But right now my prank is kind of looking very shaky. But I'm gonna still try and get him when he's coming up the stairs. Hopefully he can come in without getting too wet. I don't know if he has an umbrella or what, but I'm still gonna wet him up because I put in all this work basically for nothing.
Yeah.
You want me to come pack out the groceries?
Huh?
You want me to pack them out? Alright, come watch Chase. Oh, you never got wet? I had to get you. I was so afraid that you're gonna be soaked already in the rain. Guys, I just went him up on the stairs, as you could see.
Danielle, you're trying to run into the rain. What's wrong with you?
Oh my god, that took so much effort, and I thought the rain was going to ruin it. But look, I succeeded.
Honestly, what was that?
I wet you up.
I know you want me up. You obviously just let me up.
So you almost got. I just made sure that you got wet.
The thing I run down.
You basically almost got wet in the rain, anyways. Yes, Chase was in on it too. Chase, you want to see Dada? You want to see Dada? Dada got wet. Clean it up, please. I don't want to.
Yo, I'm not like it right now.
I love you though.
Yeah. Stairs.
Chase said Mama and Dada.
Danielle, why you do that? Why you do that?
Yeah, because we have to make sure we don't slip. So just clean it up, please.
Dada.
Yeah, Dada is here. You want to come down? Well, we can't go on the stairs now. Dada went up the stairs, Chase.
You're on my bad side right now. After this.
Listen, it was already raining. You were just bound.
Run through my boxers. My feet go right round my boxers. I'm wet right now.
I love you.
I love you too, but what was that about?
The people were requesting pranks. I had to deliver.
Alright. You want to deliver? Alright. You want to deliver?
I had to deliver.
Oh my god, the whole stairs is wet. Wet!
Okay, come, let me clean it. Come up. You're gonna have to change.
No, just stay there. Stay there. You just stay right there.
He's so mad.
You just stay right there.
What are you doing?
You just stay right there.
What are you doing?
You can't come down the stairs, it's wet.
What are you doing?
You cannot come down the stairs because it's wet.
What is that?
We jump on the ground.
Oh my god. No! What are you doing?
No, you can't come down the stairs.
What is that? No, my chocolate. Don't give me back.
You want it?
Give me no.
I'll bring it back.
Oh my god.
No more chocolate.
Give it back.
No more chocolate.
Give me back. Did you really just eat my chocolate?
You want it back?
Ew. Did you really just eat my chocolate?
No, you want it back.
I'm going back to Chase. I'm over you. He's on my bad side now. He ate my chocolate. I'm so mad. Chasey, Daddy ate my chocolate.
That's what you get. Wake me up.
Daddy ate chocolate. Daddy rude. Daddy's rude. Say, Dada, don't eat Mommy's chocolate. Yes, rude. Aw, look at him cleaning up the stairs. You got pranked and he cleaning. You're such a good husband.
What's the almond chocolate? Only me would have know.
You're so wrong.
I mean, I don't know.
So this prank kind of backfired on me. I told Chad to buy me a chocolate and he ate it. You're such a good husband cleaning up.
You know? What does I love to say, you know? Karma is a hell of a thing.
I cannot believe you ate my chocolate.
And what you have coming to you.
What? You already ate my chocolate.
Listen. I was walking up the stairs nice and calm. Just said, now avoid the water. Rosie was coming.
And you were cleaning.
Was waiting.
And you were cleaning.
And I was cleaning.
Chase, look. He's watching Chad clean after he ate my chocolate.
Chasey, would you like me to tell you something? Your mother woke me up when I was walking up the stairs. Yeah.
He knows he was in on it.
You were on it?
Yeah, I told him what I was gonna do. Yeah.
So they take out badness.
Yeah.
Alright.
And you ate our chocolate. I was gonna give Chase a little nice taste of my chocolate.
No. That's not going to happen because in life you're gonna have challenges and watch, I will get you. I will get you. Don't worry, everything is spotless clean. After you whip me up, I
Thank
spotless
you.
clean it.
Thank you, sir.
But don't worry, just have your back.
No, because you already got me back.
Because nobody not gonna have your back. Nobody not gonna have your back. And me alone will have your back. But nobody not gonna have your back. I'm done.
Do you hear him telling me all of
Danielle,
this after
until
he ate
you
my,
ain't done.
after he ate my chocolate? He's gonna act like this.
Alright.
I hope you're gonna buy back my chocolate. This has backfired on me, and you know what? I'm gonna think of something else to get him back because my almond joy cannot come back from the dead.
You can pack up the stuff?
Yes, I'm gonna pack up the stuff now. Okay, so guys, like, comment, share, subscribe. Dada ate mommy chocolate, and we are gonna see you on the next time I get this boy back.
Don't worry, man. Watch your back.